Hey everyone, I'm Instructor Brooks and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to become a part of our community. Today we're going to talk about active insufficiency and the triceps. So if you're ready to learn something, let's go. Before we begin, we need to agree on two key concepts. First, active insufficiency is the weakening of a biarticular muscle by placing it in a shortened position. Second, the triceps extend the elbow and the shoulder. Pop quiz! What is the origin for the long head of the triceps? Where in my brain is that answer? The infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. Here you see Megan performing tricep kickbacks. This is a great way to strengthen the triceps in their actively insufficient position. You're also going to notice that the more you extend the shoulder, the harder this exercise is going to be. So why is it important to know that type of exercise for the tricep? Well, I'd say if you watch my video on strengthening and the physiology and theory behind that, a major concept is the concept of specificity, which means a muscle really only gets strong and functional in exactly the way you work it out. So it's important to work the triceps or any muscle through a multitude of ranges against multiple different aspects of leverage to truly get the best well-rounded muscle and strength gains and functionality. And there you have it, something to think about, a little food for thought. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comment section below. And if you want to keep learning with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Instructor Brooks. If you've done all those things, have an awesome day, and remember, knowledge is power. You might be thinking, Instructor Brooks, how can we use active insufficiency to work the soleus? Well, let me show you. Well, since the gastrocnemius plantar flexes the ankle and flexes the knee, we can shorten it at the knee by flexing it, making it actively insufficient. Now the gastroc is weaker, and that forces the soleus to work harder to achieve plantar flexion. And there you have it, something to think about, a little food for thought. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comment section below. And if you want to keep learning with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Instructor Brooks. If you've done all those things, have an awesome day, and remember, knowledge is power.